In primetime news this evening,
Party in shambles? Jamaicans believe the PNP leadership race is still dividing that party. The latest in the RJ Arglina Don Anderson polls. No COVID-19, but fake news about the virus spiking fear among Jamaicans. And your days are numbered. Police High Command says more gangs to be taken before the courts.
good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrew Laidley has our preview.
Well, Janella, we've been talking about it all week. The stock market continues to decline, losing 10% of its value since the start of the week alone, this week alone. Now, I'll tell you how today's trading ended a little later in the financial week.
All right, thanks, Andrew. From Andrew, we go to Spencer at the Sports Desk. Spencer, what's coming up?
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, Andre Russell was quite destructive today as the West Indies won their T20 International Series against Sri Lanka. We'll give you the details in Primetime Sports later.
Good stuff. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on the PNP's decision not to contest any by-elections?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after the break.